This is chicken stew with 100 green Thai chilies. I took this picture when my sister took me to the restaurant to eat. I have another video of pork leg stew with green Thai chilies. I will put the link below so that you can head there and have a look for yourself. We Vietnamese love all kind of meat stew with green Thai chilies, but the chicken is original. This stew is originated by a chef from Bình Dương, but it is so popular that it's spreading throughout the country. One look at the picture, you can see the chicken is white, the wolfsberry is red, the mushroom is black, the green Thai chili is green, and they're garnished with cilantro, green cilantro. It's a work of art, but the best part is the taste. The soup is flavorful. If you feel your energy level is down, this is the go-to soup. To make it a meal, we normally eat it with blanched egg noodles with green of your choice, like chrysanthemum, napa cabbage, Chinese cheese, broccoli, and dip into green season. Grate some season with green Thai chili with some sugar and lime juice. This is your favorite dip. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. Today we will make the dish family style, so stick around. You will see how easy it is to replicate at home. In Vietnam, we like to use the free-range chicken because the meat is so much better. We use the whole bird from head to toes, including the innards, nothing going to waste. My sister chopped into small pieces and put in the pot of boiling water plus coconut water. In Vietnam, coconut is abundant. They grow everywhere, so the juice is very nice addition. It adds sweetness to the broth. Here come important ingredients: Chinese medicinal, including worms, berries, some bark, some red dates. You need to find them at Asian markets or international markets. Now I say the best for last, green type of chili. If you cook this stew with red type of chili, you cannot eat because it's too hot. But the green ones are very nice in both aroma and spiciness. More than that, we cook them whole in the pot. If you want spicier, place some of chili into your bowl, crush them down, and you get the level you want. Now the pot has been cooking for half an hour. Check the doneness of your choice. If you want tender, more tender, you can cook more. Otherwise, you can adjust seasoning by adding salt, pepper, fish sauce, chicken powder or not. Or some people do MSG, but our family does not. Now it's time to enjoy the result of our labor. We transfer the stew into the pot. This pot keeps cooking while we are eating. And we serving the food on the floor. That's a Vietnamese way. We are all sitting around the food. My sister put some noodle into her bowl. Now she chose the leg. She chose the head, some vegetables into her bowl. You see, some people like head, some people like leg. That is our Vietnamese way, not only the meat. Now she laid on the broth into her bowl, and I can assure you, if you are under weather, eat this broth and you feel full energy again. This is very medicinal. Pick me up. Good for you too. I hope I could inspire you to try this dish. It's easy to make and you won't be disappointed. And this is my sister for. She is eating rice noodle with vegetables and crispy spring rolls. I will make the video for this dish later on. We 6 sisters are here today, together with the husband of my sister four, her daughter, and her son-in-law. What more could we ask for? Good food, good family, good quality time. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more video. If you have any question, please place the comment below.